Why does your scanner show the P0965 engine code? What does it mean? P0965 is a diagnostic trouble code for pressure control solenoid, B control circuit range, or performance. P0965 engine code indicates that the PCM has detected a low voltage on the line pressure control solenoid B control circuit for 4.4 seconds in a 5-second sample. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Transmission fluid issues. Transmission valve body failure. Faulty pressure control solenoid. Hydraulic passages. Transmission control module failure. Wiring issues. Connectors. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. It is a generic trouble code that can appear in any vehicle with an OBD2 system. It's more common in Audi, Citroën, Chevrolet, Ford, Hyundai, Nissan, Peugeot, and Volkswagen vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.